Space technology is no longer a concept that only scientists and engineers appreciate. It is now woven into our everyday life. Its benefits are evident in the satellite imagery that prepares communities for calamities, the weather forecasts that inform our daily decisions, and the navigation systems that guide us to our destinations. This year also marks an important milestone for the Philippines. It is our second time to host the Upper SAF, following the 23rd session in 2016. Our return as host reflects how far our nation has come and how committed we are to contributing to the region's collective development. This forum could not have come at a more critical time. The world faces intensifying climate crises, increasingly complex disasters, and widening development gaps. Across the Asia-Pacific, nations are turning to space science as a means to improve governance, protect the environment, and to champion inclusive development. I am also looking forward to the completion of the Multispectral Unit for Land Assessment, or MULA satellite, which is set to be the country's largest Earth observation satellite. All these initiatives are guided by a simple conviction: space must serve the people. In this very pursuit, your efforts are more crucial than ever. So together, let us shape an Asia-Pacific region that harnesses space capabilities to confront climate change, strengthen disaster resilience, spark inclusive economic growth.
APR-SAF is short for the Asia-Pacific Regional Space Agency Forum. So as the name says, it's where all space agencies in the Asia-Pacific area, but not all that, it's an open forum. So anywhere from the world, people can gather to hear about what's going on in space in the Asia-Pacific. This time, about 500 participants who have come from all over the world, but particularly mainly from the Asia-Pacific region. So in the 4 days, the first 2 days are for working groups. And the second 2 days, we are in the last day right now, are for the heads of space agencies to join and hear about what the working groups, the technical working groups, talked about. We have not just technical, but also policy and law working groups. And we have also a business type of session also. For example, one of the working groups had astronauts in it and heard about how we, for instance, experiment in microgravity. We have students joining that. We have competitions for robots.
Yeah, it's been a great week, and we're having a very productive discussions here at APR-SAF. So we are talking about how we can cooperate as an individual country to kind of talk about the issues of many regional countries, areas, and how we can contribute to solve that kind of issue with our current technologies, utilizing a space environment. And as an astronaut, I have been very honored to talk about my experience. So I just came back from the International Space Station this August. So it's my great pleasure to share my experiences with especially the younger generations to motivate them to get interested in science.
Yamang Kalawakan, or yung makita po natin dito sa likod po natin, it's our term for the Philippine space ecosystem. So ito po yung iba't ibang mga components na ginagamit po ang space para mag-create ng value para po sa Pilipino at para sa buong mundo. Madalas kasi pag iniisip natin na space, makikita natin yung mga nakita sa mga pelikula, pupunta ka sa buwan, pupunta ka sa ibang planeta. Pero actually, ang space, nararamdaman na ng bawat Pilipino sa paggamit nila ng mga everyday technologies. For example, pag bumiyahe ka mula airport, bahay, papuntang airport, gagamit ka ng Waze. Yung paggamit mo ng Waze, gumagamit ka na ng iba't ibang space technologies. Yung mapa na nakikita mo sa Waze, ginawa yan gamit ng isang satellite image. Yung pag-track sa'yo doon sa lugar na yon, binomonitor ka ng isang GPS satellite. And then finally, pag umulan, kailangan i-adjust ulit yung ETA mo, gumagamit naman yun ng data from weather satellites. So yung isang simpleng act from going from one place to another, tatlong iba't ibang space technology na yung naranasan natin. And dito sa PhilSA, gusto namin na mas maipamalas pa sa mga Pilipino yung benefits of space. Hindi mo siya nararamdaman, pero nandun niya sa pang-araw-araw mo na buhay. Ang tema po natin ngayon taon is Empowering the Region through Space Ecosystems and Action. So gusto po namin maipamalas ang kooperasyon sa mga bansa within the Asia-Pacific region para magkaroon at mas pakuha pa yung benefits from space. So after po ng session na ito, magkakaroon po ng isang statement where magko-commit po yung mga countries in the Asia-Pacific region to further promote the use of space and further get value from space. Isa pong karangalan na ma-host po ng Pilipinas ang 31st session of the Asia-Pacific Regional Space Agency Forum. And through this forum, we hope that we were able to present the value that space is able to provide in the Philippines. And borrowing from our vision statement, we hope that after this session, we are able to add and create value in space for and from Filipinos and for the world.